Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the image function on Microsoft Excel. If you would like to insert the image in your Excel table, you can easily to insert the picture function. But if you would like to insert the image from online, how can you insert the Excel table? Let's learn how you can do this. Before enter this video, subscribe our channel for further technology videos. So in my Excel table, I would like to insert the image in this cell. So if I have a image in my local, then I can easy to insert by click on the insert tab and click on the illustration and picture. Then you have to place the image from your computer. But I would like to insert the image from online. So we have to find the online image. So I would like to insert the image from Pixabay website. So first I have to log in with my email account. So here I would like to search the image. It's a ball. So here a lot of free images available. So I would like to insert this image. You have to choose the size. Then you have to click on the view. So here the image URL available. You have to copy this URL. Then you have to go to your Excel table. Then you have to select the cell. Then you have to add the function image. Here we have to start the double quotes. Inside of the double quotes we have to insert the image URL. Then you can add the alternative text ball. So after enter the alternative text we have to add the comma. Then it will be shows the fill format. You can either fill the cell or fit to cell or organize the original size or custom size you can use. So you have to choose 0 or 1, insert the double quotes, and inside of the double quotes I have to add the value as 1. Then you have to hit tab. That's it. So now you can check it out. The image has been filled in your Excel table cells. So in this way you can insert the online image in your Excel table. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section. If you like this video, don't forget to touch the like button.